Let's learn how to fix the TikTok following problem. If you experience issues with not being able to follow someone on TikTok and don't know how to fix it, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you won't have such problems anymore. The first thing you need to do is open a web browser and type TikTok following limit. When you type this in, a page will open showing that the maximum number of accounts you can follow per day is 200. But if you haven't followed that many profiles in a day and still can't follow anyone, I'll show you how to fix it. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. When you open TikTok, you'll be on the home page, but you need to click on the profile option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on this option, a page with your profile will open. On this page, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on this, a menu with 4 options will appear, and on this menu you need to click on Settings and Privacy. When you click on this, a page with many options will open. On this page, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the Report a Problem option. When you click on this, a page will open where you need to click on the Interaction option. When you click on this, more options will appear, and from these options you need to click on the Follow option. When you click on this, a page with several options will open, and on this page, you need to click on the Unable to Follow a User option. When you click on this, a page will open, and at the top of this page there are 4 solutions for this problem. But if none of these help, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the No option. When you click on this, another option will appear, which is Need More Help, and you need to click on this. When you click on this, a chat will open where you need to type Submit a Problem. When you type this in, you will get a response where you need to click on Submit a Ticket. When you click on this, a menu will open where you need to describe your problem. You can also add a video or picture as proof, but you don't have to. Once you do this, send it to them, and they will resolve the problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.